Yeah, solving simple equations. This is, I think, it's another video. I think this is fourth video. Okay. Uh, Part 4 of simple equations. Not just simple, we are solving simple equations. So I will take simple equation, another simple equation. So this I will write now. So p by 2, okay, p by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Now, yeah, solving means we have to find the value of phi as we have seen in the other videos. Mm, so, value of p, I mean, we have to find the value of the variable. So, an alphabet letter is usually used as a variable in maths. Okay, so here the variable is p. So we have to find the value of p. Okay, so so p along with p we have divided by 2. Divided by 2 is there. So p along with whatever is there you keep on one side. So remaining whatever is there you move that to other side. I will move this plus 2 to this side. So in the next step, before moving this, write this p by 2 as it is. Next is equal to, next is 8. When plus 2 is moved this side, this will become minus 2. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. I mean 2 same plus changes to minus. So in the next step, take this p by 2 as it is. That is equal to 8 minus 2 means 6. Hey. Now we want p, we don't want this 2. Okay, so if we don't want this 2 we cannot simply erase. If we simply erase it will be wrong. So to remove this, since this is divided by 2, to remove this 2 we have to multiply by 2 like this, 2 into, but you are multiplying this side this by 2, so you have to multiply this also by 2. Both sides you have to multiply by 2, otherwise the equation will become wrong. Okay, so if you multiply both sides by 2 then there is no wrong. Why we have to multiply by same 2? Because we have to cancel or remove this. Now because of this into we can cancel this 2 and 2. So what is left? P is equal to, you write 6 into 2, 6 2 is 12. So now this P is equal to 12 is the answer. So now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before that, see, before the equal sign whatever is there, so this is LHS. LHS means left hand side. After equal sign whatever is there, this is RHS. So RHS means right hand side. Now check in which side the variable p is present. So variable p is present here. That means p is present on LHS side. So first take LHS. LHS is equal to this entire thing. See, this entire thing is LHS. So take this LHS is equal to this entire thing. P by 2 plus 2. So next we we have to substitute the value for P. Before substituting, write this LHS is equal to, now in place of P I am going to substitute this 12 because P is equal to 12. So in place of P 12 I will write, and this bar and this 2. Next this plus 2 you write. Okay. So next, లే అని మాట్లాడదురా. Next write this LHS is equal to, so we will simplify this, 12 by 2, that means 12 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay. So now what is left? 6, this line and this 1 plus 2. Next step, write this LHS is equal to 6 by 1 is 6 because any number dividing by 1 will get same number 6. So plus 2. So next step, LHS is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? Next step, write this LHS is equal to, so 8 means RHS. So RHS. Okay. Now see, we got LHS is equal to RHS. Since LHS is equal to RHS, so the answer is correct. So the answer P is equal to 12 is correct because LHS is equal to RHS. Next we will take another simple equation. So I will erase this. I will rub this. So next to a very simple equation I will take. That equation is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is very simple equation. So we have to solve means definitely we have to find the value of the variable. So the variable here is x. So x is an letter, an alphabet letter. So this letter x is the variable. So we have to find the value of the x. Okay. So keep this x on one side. Remaining whatever is there you send to other side. You send that to other side. So remaining means this minus 1. So move this minus 1 to other side. This side. Okay. So in the next step, before moving next step, in the next step, write this x as it is equal to, write this 0 as it is. See, when minus 1 is moved to other side, that minus 1 will become plus 1. Okay. When minus 1 is moved this side, minus 1 becomes plus 1. Okay. That means 1 same, this minus changes to plus. Okay. Next step, write this x is equal to, so 0 plus 1 is 1. So we got x is equal to 1 as the answer. So this is the answer we got. Now we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before that, I will write this equation once again. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So before the equal sign whatever is there, that is LHS. After equal sign whatever is there, that is RHS. So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable x is present. So variable x is present on LHS. So take this LHS. LHS is equal to, so this entire thing is LHS. So x minus 1 you write. So in the next step, we have to substitute the value for this x. So before substituting, write this LHS is equal to, okay. So x is equal to 1, I mean value of x is 1. So in place of x, substitute this 1. So 1 in place of x, 1 minus 1, this minus 1. Next write this LHS is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Next step, write this LHS is equal to 0. See, 0 I said it is RHS. So in place of 0 I will write RHS. Now see, we got LHS is equal to RHS. See, when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. X is equal to 1 is the correct answer. So that is the meaning. In case if you don't get LHS is equal to RHS, that means if we get LHS is not equal to RHS, that time this answer is wrong, like that. But in this case, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So that means this x is equal to 1 is the right answer. That is the correct answer. Like that you have to come to conclusion based on this. Next, I will take another very simple equation. So another simple equation I am going to take is x plus 1 is equal to 0. It's very simple equation. Yeah. So we have to find the value of x. So keep this x on one side. So remaining whatever is there, move to other side. We have to move this plus 1 to other side. So in the next step, before moving, write this x is equal to, write this 0. Now when plus 1 is moved to this side, plus 1 becomes minus 1. So that means 1 same, this plus changes to minus. Why? Because we are moving this plus 1 to other side. Okay. Next step, write this x is equal to, so 0 means nothing, 0. So we can just discard it, we can just remove it. So whatever is there left, what is left? Minus 1, write that. So now see, this x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So now next we will check whether this answer is correct or not. So before that I will just write this equation once again. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So before this equal sign whatever is there, that is LHS. After equal sign whatever is there, that is RHS. So LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Okay. Now check on which side the variable x is present. So the variable x is present on LHS. Okay, so take this LHS here. So LHS is equal to this entire thing. This entire thing is LHS. So x plus 1. So in the next step, we have to substitute the value for x. So before that, write this LHS is equal to as it is. So in place of x, substitute minus 1 because value of x is minus 1. So in place of x, I am going to substitute minus 1 like this. In place of x, I am writing minus 1, this minus 1. Next, this plus 1. Next step, write this LHS is equal to as it is. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Because 1, 1, but different sign. This is plus, this is minus. Opposite signs, but same number 1, 1. So they will cancel out. So after cancelling, we are left with 0. So next step, I'll write this LHS is equal to as it is. So I said 0 means RHS. So in place of 0, I will write RHS. So now based on this, we can say whether this is correct answer or not. So remember, when LHS becomes equal to RHS, when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. X is equal to minus 1 is the correct answer. We have to think in that way. We have to understand in that way. So this equation is done. So I will take another simple equation. Another simple equation I will take is x minus 1 is equal to 5. So we have to find the value of x. So keep this x on one side. So remaining whatever is there, move that to other side. Remaining is minus 1. So move this minus 1 to other side. Okay. So before moving to other side, in the next step, first write this x, write this equal, write this 5 as it is. When minus 1 is moved this side, this minus 1 will become plus 1. Okay, that means 1, 1 same, this minus changes to plus. So in the next step, write this x is equal to, so pi plus 1 is 6. Okay. Now see, this x is equal to 6 is the correct answer. This is the perfect answer. So next, we have to check, we have to verify whether this answer is correct. Okay. So we will check now whether this answer is correct. So before that, I will write this equation once again here. So x minus 1 is equal to 5. So before this equal sign, whatever is there, that is called LHS. So LHS means left hand side. After equal sign, whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable x is present. So x is present here, that is LHS. So write LHS here, LHS is equal to, and write this entire thing as LHS, x minus 1. So in the next step, write this LHS is equal to, now substitute the value for x, the value of x is 6. So in place of x I will write 6, this minus 1. Next step, this LHS is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. So next step, so LHS is equal to 5. So I said 5 is RHS. I will write RHS here. I will put a box for it. See, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So when LHS is equal to RHS, that means this answer is correct. In case LHS is not equal to RHS, so that time answer is wrong. But here we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this answer is correct. So this simple equation is done. Next I will take another simple equation. Another simple equation I will take x plus 6 is equal to 2. This is another simple equation. So we have to find the value of x. So keep this x on one side, move remaining whatever is there, move that to other side. So remaining is plus 6, we have to move this to other side. So in the next step, before moving, write this x, write this is equal to, write this to as it is. When plus 6 is moved this side, this plus 6 becomes minus 6. That means 6, 6 same, this plus changes to minus. So next step, write this x is equal to, so 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Okay. See, now this x is equal to minus 4 is the answer. Now we will check whether this is correct or not. So before that I will write this equation once again here. X plus 6 is equal to 2. So before this equal sign whatever is there, that is LHS. LHS means left hand side. After this equal sign whatever is there, that is RHS. RHS means right hand side. Now check on which side the variable x is present. So variable x is here, x is here and this is present on LHS. So take LHS. LHS is equal to this entire thing, that is x plus 6. In the next step, write this LHS is equal to, so substitute a value for x. So we got x is equal to minus 4, that means value of x is minus 4. So in place of x I will write this minus 4, minus 4. Okay, in place of x minus 4, so plus 6. Next step, write this LHS is equal to, so minus 4 plus 6, that is 2. Now write this LHS is equal to 2. I said 2 means that is RHS. RHS. So we got we got LHS is equal to RHS. So just remember when LHS is equal to RHS, so this answer is correct. This is the correct answer because we got LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.